Hello everyone, welcome to Pursuit for Enlightenment. I am your host Rahul Mehta. So today I am going to tell you about how to resize the pictures. As we already know, resizing the picture is very important tool in order to upload the photographs on a particular website. For example, if you have been asked to upload a photo for examination form or for uploading the resume, so we know how to resize the photo. And when you go to the computer cafes, they will charge you about 50 to 100 rupees for doing the same. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do the same. So let's begin. So I have opened a folder. So there is a picture over here. What I will do, I will going to right click on it and I am going to open it with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. You just remember this tool, Microsoft Office Picture Manager. You don't need to install it or download it from any third party website. This tool is available with the Windows. So what you need to do, you need to click on this. So this is a picture which has opened. So the next step, you have to click on edit pictures. So you have clicked on edit pictures. Now there is an option at the right side and its name is resize. So you will click on resize. Then there is a third option, that is custom width height. So you will click on this radio button and I will now, this image by default size is 1024 and 768 pixels. That means this is the height and this is the width. So I'm going to make it, let's say, 450 pixels height and 250 width. Now I will click OK. So you can see that the image has transformed to the size which I have put. Now the next step, you have to click on this icon. This icon stands for save. So you will click and this is how you are going to resize a photo. That is a very easy process, and when you go to shop they charge you lot more for doing the same. So that's all for today. I will be coming back with few more videos. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.